Have you ever felt nervous, vulnerable and excited at the same time when you're asked to speak in front of an audience? For too long we have been told that speaking is the hardest skill to master. Yet I found that only when we speak are we able to overcome these challenges. This shows that speaking is the way for us to demonstrate our true brilliance. Since 2015, I've inspired many others to speak. I am the first non-Chinese to be elected as the president of the leading all-Chinese speaking club in an international speakers platform. Today, more and more people are stepping out to speak, either to sell or to serve. The challenge is to stand up from the crowd. Has never been greater. Join me as I show you how to stand up from the crowd, add value to the lives of others, and move forward in your love life and business. Speak and stand out. Isn't that what you want?